Hey everyone, this is a fix-it video for the dome lights on a 2011 Infinity FX35. I think this is for any vehicle 2009 to 2013. Anyways, I had the problem where the dome lights wouldn't come on, the map light wouldn't come on, that light for the start button wouldn't come on, these super cool lights on the outside underneath the mirrors wouldn't come on. All you do is you come under here and there's this like panel thing. Just got these little clips on there. You pull this out. Be careful with this guide piece on the left side. I broke mine because I didn't know how to pull it out and I was just pissed off and I pulled it off. Anyways, there's this module here that sits right here on these two screws on the inside part of this. Then you got to disconnect the foot lamp here. This is the old piece, and here is a look at that 284601CA0A. That's the part number. Just Google that thing and buy this. I bought it used for $100 from an Infinity FX50. So even though I have the 35, I have a 2011 35, and I bought this off, I think, like a 2012 50, and it works just fine. Just take this 40-pin connector clip out, put it in the new one, and it just magically came back on. So anyways, there's another look at that part. You don't need to take it to a mechanic. It's super easy. Brand new, this thing's like $700. I found it online from a junkyard for $100. I bought the $20 insurance package for it, and it works perfect, man. So I'm stoked. It's the first time I've ever seen the lights on the inside of the car. There's also lights under here that you can't see. Anyways, yeah, just do it yourself. Super easy. I'm not a mechanic. I don't know what the heck I'm doing. So good luck.